Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th geography we are discussing in that fourth chapter. In this whole chapter, in last few days, we have discussed the important topics or the important subtopics, sub points of this chapter, that is climate. The climate they refer to some total of weather condition and variation over a large area, that is a longer period, that is called as a climate. Weather, it is refer to the atmosphere as an area at any point of a time. The element of weather and climate are the same. Sometimes it is a same. In a previous years you are learned those are the whether it is day by day condition, and climate it is a fixed for to the few months and year. So monsoon, it is a very important in a climatical condition. So how which part those are the controlled by a climates, that is the latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents and relief features. These are the very important 6 major controls of the climate of place. The factors affecting India's climate, those are latitudes, altitudes and pressure and winds, pressure and surface winds, upper air circulation, cyclones. How the Indian monsoon, it will be affect the what the factors of importance. It gives to understand about the monsoon, that is a differential heating and cooling of a land and water, the shift of the portion of intertropical convergency zone, that is ITCZ, the high pressure areas, the Tibetan plateau that gets intensely heated during in the summer. The factors which we are the discuss already, the same thing I am repeating. The movement of the westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalayas, it will be give a presence of the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula, and the seasons, the cold weather season, that is the winter, which is the duration of the February, that is the from the mid November to in northern India, it will be stay up to the February. December and January, that is the coldest month in our country in some places, and hot weather season, that is the summer, it will be occurs in March to May. That one more important season, the rainy season, advanced monsoon, it will be happens in a June to October, mid October, and retreating or the post monsoon, it will be happens October to November. So here some maps also we are discussed in the previous classes how the winds will be help and they will bring to the one place to another place the moisture and as well as those winds those winds will be bring a rainfall. And main important the three water bodies surrounded our country: Bay of the Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. But these when the monsoons they are appearing to our country, the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, they are the both are very important uh, aspects or the important things to bring a rainfall or monsoon in advance monsoon and retreating monsoon. Those winds will be blow from the Arabian Sea to the Bay of Bengal, and those carries the moisture and those have helpful to the bring to the rainfall to our country. One more thing here, when we are every day we'll see the newspapers as well as television, the some important things they will discuss about these climatical condition, which they are the given some newspaper cuttings they are the given in your textbook. So it means the winter season, rainy season and summer season, the which in our country they are the makes sometimes the weather it will be hit to the livestock of people. Yes, so suddenly the heavy rains, suddenly sometimes in a winter season the fog and as well as the high temperature. And now also at present we can see the heavy rainfall in some areas, and in the winter season especially in the northern India we unable to see sunshine also. In a foggy climatical condition we can see. So for the reference you can refer a ninth grade textbook. Thank you.